Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about reheat cycle, which is another vapor power cycle. This is the diagram. Reheat cycle. This is superheater. This is high pressure turbine. This is low pressure turbine. This is condenser. This is reheater and this is pump. First, the vapor goes to high pressure turbine in this way, and then from high pressure turbine it goes to reheater, and from reheater it goes to low pressure turbine where work is done by the turbine, and a part of the steam which goes to low pressure turbine goes to the condenser, and from condenser it goes to pump where it is pumped back to the superheater, and the cycle repeats. And now we will see the TS diagram and HS diagram. This is TS diagram and this is HS diagram. This is point 1, this is point 2, point 3, this is point 4, this is point 5, this is point 6. And now we will see the equations. The first one will be heat added during constant pressure process that is 6 to 1 and 2 to 3, that is 6 to 1 this process and 2 to 3 this process. The equations will be QA is equal to H1 minus H6 plus H3 minus H2. This is H1 minus H6, and this is H3 minus H2. Then QA will be H1 minus HF6 plus H3 minus H2. This will be in kilojoule per kg. This is the first equation. And now the second equation. Heat rejected at constant pressure process. Four to 5 process 4 to 5, that is this is process 4 to 5, that will be heat rejection. QR is equal to H4 minus H5, or you can write it as H4 QR is equal to H4 minus HF5 kilojoule per kg. This is equation 2. Now turbine work. During the process one to 2 and 3 to 4. This is process 1 to 2 here, and 3 to 4. These are two turbine works. We can denote it as WT, that is equal to H1 minus H1 minus H2 plus H3 minus H4 kilojoule per kg. This is equation 3. Pump work. Process 5 to 6. This is process 5 to 6. Here the water is pumped back to the steam generator. That is WP is equal to H6 minus H5. WP is equal to HF6 minus HF5, that is kilojoule per kg. Now we will see net work. Net work done per kg of steam. This is net work. Net work is given by heat added minus heat rejected that is equal to heat added is H1 minus HF6 plus H3 minus H2 minus H4 minus HF5 H1 minus H2 plus H3 minus H4 HF6 minus HF5. The network will be given by H1 minus H3 minus H4. This is minus WP. This will be in kilojoule per kg. This is equation 5. And lastly, we have to see the equation of thermal efficiency. Thermal efficiency is eta is equal to net work done by heat supplied, that is net work done is H1 minus H2. We had just written that equation, H3 minus H4 minus WP. H1 minus HF6 plus H3 minus H2. It is eta. This is thermal efficiency. This is thermal efficiency of reheat cycle. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.